Okay, hello MCOM381. This is Professor Neil. Here is the camera that we will be using for this class. I'm going to go over some basic things with this camera. So hopefully this becomes quite handy, maybe, and you'll be able to get this in a YouTube video. So yes, I'll show this stuff in class, but then also it will be on YouTube on a YouTube video. So you can access it, and if you have a question or something in the field, it's right there for you. All right, so let's go and try to figure this camera out for you. I'm going to show you how to take this camera and put it onto the tripod. Okay, grab the handle on top here. This is hard to do with a mic and a camera in your hand at the same time. Basically, there's a red button on the side of the tripod. There's a plate underneath. You line up the plate underneath and you slide it into the grooves. Make sure it's good to go in there, okay? You have to hold down the red button. There's a red button on the side here, okay? That loosens it up. Now, what you got to do, on the other side, there's a little like switch here, and what that does is it locks it in, okay? It locks in your tripod. It's good to go. It's locked in, okay? So that's wonderful. It's there, okay? But now there is a little bubble here. There's a little bubble right here, and you're looking down. How do we get the bubble even? Basically, you hold on to the handle here. There's a little thing underneath here, and you just loosen a little bit, and it'll loosen it up, and then you can get the bubble to go in the middle by doing that. You're not going to be playing up and down and left and right with the legs of the tripod. It's a little thing underneath. That's how you do that. Now that we have the tripod on the camera, now we have to put the battery in the camera, and this is exactly how we're going to go do it, okay? So what you're seeing right now is the rear of the camera, just underneath the viewfinder there. That's where the battery goes. Basically, there's going to be little metal copper colored things on the left side as you're looking at it. And you'll see at the bottom of the battery, and it doesn't look that great, but they're supposed to connect. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it, and you're going to go to the right and just kind of click it to the left, and it should click in then. Then you know it's ready to go.